Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of how to clean and inspect trailer truck fuel injectors, we'll finish the job with cleaning techniques, inspection tips, and reinstalling everything the right way. Do's and don'ts: do replace O-rings and seals after cleaning. Reusing old ones risks leaks. Don't soak plastic parts in harsh chemicals. They can warp or melt. Do wear gloves. Injector cleaner strips skin oils fast, inspecting for damage or wear. Cleaning won't fix physical damage. Here's how to spot injectors that need replacing. Cracks or leaks. Check the injector body and nozzle. Fuel stains mean trouble. Clogged nozzles. Hold the injector up to light. The holes should be clear, not blocked by carbon. Worn connectors. Bent pins or frayed wires can cause electrical issues. If an injector fails these checks, it's time for a new one. Cleaning a damaged injector is like putting a bandage on a broken hose. It might hold for a while, but it won't last. After inspection, reinstall the injectors with fresh seals. Hand tighten bolts first, then torque to spec. Cross-threading is expensive. Reinstalling and testing the fuel injectors. Now that your injectors are clean and inspected, it's time to get them back in place. A proper reinstall ensures no leaks, smooth operation, and no fuel system hiccups. Rushing this step can undo all your hard work, so take your time. Checking for leaks and proper function. Fuel leaks are dangerous and wasteful. Even a small drip can turn into a big problem. Before firing up the engine, double-check your work. Reconnect the fuel lines and electrical plugs. Make sure every connection is snug. Loose fittings leak or cause misfires. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine yet. This primes the fuel system. Watch for drips around the injectors, fuel rails, and lines. Inspect with a flashlight. Look for wet spots or fuel smells. If you spot a leak, shut off the ignition and tighten the connections. Common pitfalls: over-tightening fittings. This can crack injector bodies or strip threads. Hand tighten first, then use a torque wrench if specifications are available. Forgetting electrical connectors. An unplugged injector means a dead cylinder. Your truck will run rough. Ignoring O-rings. Old or damaged seals leak. Always replace them, even if they look fine. Test drive carefully. Start with a short, low-speed drive. Listen for odd noises or hesitation. If the engine stumbles, recheck injector seating and connections. A few minutes of testing now prevents roadside headaches later. Your truck should idle smoothly and pull strong when you hit the gas. If not, revisit the injectors. Something might be loose or clogged. Preventive maintenance tips. Keeping your fuel injectors clean isn't just about reacting to problems. It's about preventing them. Regular care extends injector life, boosts performance, and saves you from costly repairs down the road. Here's how to stay ahead of build-up and keep your truck running smoothly. Choosing the right fuel additives. Not all fuel additives are created equal. The right ones clean injectors as you drive, preventing clogs before they start. Look for additives with polyethylamine, PEA, or polyisobutylene amine, PIBA. These break down carbon deposits without harming engine components. Top picks for injector health. Chevron Techron works fast to dissolve stubborn deposits. Seafoam motor treatment cleans fuel systems and stabilizes fuel. Redline SI1 complete fuel system. Cleaner strong formula for heavy buildup. Additives are simple to use. Pour one into your fuel tank every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or before long hauls. They're cheap insurance against poor mileage and rough idling. Pro tip: avoid cheap generic additives. Some contain solvents that can dry out rubber seals. Stick with trusted brands tested for diesel engines. How additives work. Imagine pouring dish soap into a greasy pan. Additives work the same way. They loosen gunk so it burns away harmlessly. Over time, they keep injector nozzles clear, ensuring that fine spray your engine needs. For best results, use additives before you notice problems. Waiting until performance drops means your injectors are already struggling. Frequency matters. Light-duty trucks. Add a cleaner every 5,000 miles. Heavy haulers or older engines treat fuel every 3,000 miles. After storage, run a cleaner through the first full tank to clear stale fuel residues. Pair additives with regular visual inspections, and your injectors will thank you with steady, efficient performance. Bonus: if you're dealing with biodiesel blends, additives also prevent algae growth in the fuel system, a silent injector killer. Other preventive habits: replace fuel filters on schedule. Dirty filters let contaminants reach injectors. Avoid low-quality fuel. Bargain diesel often has more impurities. Run the engine hard occasionally. Highway driving at full operating temp helps burn off deposits. Small steps now mean fewer breakdowns later. Your injectors are the heart of your engine's fuel delivery. Keep them clean, and they'll keep you moving. Clean fuel injectors mean better mileage, smoother rides, and fewer breakdowns. Keeping them in top shape saves you money on fuel and repairs while keeping your truck reliable. Regular maintenance is simple. Use quality additives, replace filters on time, and inspect injectors for wear. A little effort now prevents big headaches later. Ready to check your truck's injectors? Pop the hood and give them a quick look. Your engine and wallet will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.